Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. In today's video, we're sharing tips on harvesting your kitchen garden to maximize yield and ensure the best flavor. So, let's get started. Regular harvesting is key to getting the most out of your garden. Many vegetables and herbs can be harvested multiple times. You know, regular picking encourages more production and keeps your plants healthy. When you harvest regularly, you're stimulating your plants to produce more. This leads to a continuous supply of fresh produce throughout the growing season. Timing is crucial for the best flavor and further growth. Pick your vegetables and herbs early in the morning when they are at their peak flavor and freshness. Early harvesting also reduces stress on the plants, encouraging them to keep producing. Here are a few tips for effective harvesting. First, use the right tools. Sharp scissors or pruning shears can make clean cuts, reducing damage to the plants. Second, harvest gently. Be gentle to avoid bruising or damaging the plants. And finally, know your plants. Understand the best time to harvest each type of vegetable or herb for optimal flavor and yield. Regular and timely harvesting is essential for a productive and healthy kitchen garden. Follow these tips to enjoy a continuous supply of fresh, flavorful produce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!